Tied up there, but Lubimov stays with it. Got it free to the side of the net. Rene Bourque picks it up. A busy game for Rene Bourque, but he turns it over here to the shot and they score! Lubimov with a rocket from the slot, and the Flyers have the lead back 3-2.
Well, if anybody deserved the goal on this shift, it's Roman Lubimov, number 13, who was so strong. He can play a big man's game and a heavy game, and he did just that behind the net when he was battling for the puck with Fedor Tyudyn, who is a big man, number 51 for Colorado. Lubimov just wasn't going to be denied here. He kept this whole thing alive. That's bird dogging.
And it's what Dave Hackstall talked about before the game with us when we chatted with him. He said he loves every line can forecheck. They hustle, and Lubimov just said it well, Bill. I mean, that is textbook of how to get in on a forecheck, stay with it, and then create a shot out of it. Amazing goal.